What's driving markets? Welcome to Market Take. Each week, we'll bring you our insights on the latest market and economic trends that are impacting investments. I'm your host, Wei Li, Global Chief Investment Strategist at BlackRock. I just came back from our internal flagship investment forum. It's one of my favorite times of the year where 100 most seasoned investors from across teams, from across the globe gather to debate the year ahead. We sometimes disagreed, we sometimes agreed, and it's always thought-provoking. So I want to share a few early impressions that I took away. Number one, AI. We talked a lot about AI, both in terms of the scope and limitations. Limitations coming from chip supply, coming from energy supply, coming from rare earth supply. We also debated what it takes to justify the current level of valuations, especially as AI build-out becomes more capital intensive, and historically that's been associated with lower return on investment. The debate then flowed into a discussion on the US-China strategic competition. Number two, the future of finance, and specifically within that, stablecoins. They fuse the frictionless transfer of cryptocurrencies and the perceived stability of fiat currencies, and the debate very much focused on the disruptive potential because of their broader adoption in emerging markets, the impact on demand for treasuries, as well as the disruptive impact potentially on the banks. Number three, another aspect of the future of finance is the blurring of the boundaries between public and private market, specifically with a focus on private credit. We discussed a lot sizing the risks and opportunities in private credit, in our view, in order to finance the enormous amount of transformations happening around us. Private market are going to have to play a bigger role. For details, read our market commentary on a weekly basis. Go to www.blackrock.com/weekly-commentary. Thank you for tuning in. If you have enjoyed this episode, subscribe to Market Take wherever you get your podcasts.
This material is intended for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, a recommendation, or an offer or solicitation to purchase or sell any securities, funds, or strategies to any person in any jurisdiction in which an offer, solicitation, purchase, or sale would be unlawful under the securities laws of such jurisdiction. The opinions expressed are as of the date of publication and are subject to change without notice. Reliance upon information in this material is at the sole discretion of the listener. Investing involves risks. BlackRock does and may seek to do business with companies covered in this podcast. As a result, listeners should be aware that the firm may have a conflict of interest that could affect the objectivity of this podcast. For more information, visit blackrock.com/thebid.